the Department of National Defense, specifically the Office of Civil Defense, and the Bureau of Fire Protection, the OST, Pag-asa. I mean, all of these agencies responsible for whether it's, I actually call them natural events rather than natural calamities, because we want to be friends with these forces of nature. So, and we've experienced that. To be frank about it, in December, our first meeting under our first unit was the senior economic officials meeting that took place in Boracay. And lo and behold, come Thursday, there was a typhoon that came in. If people remember Typhoon Wilma. That was our first test, but we are proud to say that we were able to overcome it because we have a good team that handled that particular problem. That's just a typhoon. Then we had subsequently an earthquake. So here in Cebu, I think I can say confidently that we are ready for any contingency. Thank you.
Thank you, Director General De La Vega. Yes, sir, go ahead. Name and alphabet, sir, please.
Good morning, Sec and Director General. RD Morales from ITV Cebu. So we understand that the opening of the IMC signals preparedness and the commitment for an organized media, but also it raises important question on the evolving dynamic relationship of the press and the government. So my question is, how does the government ensure that the International Media Center facilitates, not limits, independent reporting, especially when access, movement, and information are largely centralized and controlled? Does this set up risk, creating an environment where journalists rely heavily on curated information rather than first-hand reporting, and how is that being addressed?
Well, very good question. As I assured earlier, paramount to our concern in opening the International Media Center is to provide you with a seamless coverage of the summit, and that includes all activities, all events that may be open for media coverage. But given the size of the media contingent coming here in Cebu, unfortunately there will be events that will be pooled. There will be pooled coverages, and like in any other past summits, there may be some events that are closed doors, but we will strive to provide you as much information that we can share to the public as possible, and that's our commitment from the PCO. Thank you.
We still have time for another question. Next, please. So with that, we conclude the question and answer. Thank you very much. Before we end, we would like